kakalapag niya lang kanina. Ibang level, nandito na siya agad, fresh na fresh. Jo, we just want to know, kanina we've been talking a lot, or actually we talk a lot about how we are going to be sustaining the girls' journeys even beyond the pageant. How exactly are we going to fulfill this promise to the candidates? I just want everybody here to know, as well as this is out of curiosity, my personal curiosity.
Okay, so una sa lahat gusto ko po kayong batiin ng magandang gabi. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga taong pumunta ngayong gabi. And of course, sa ating mga online people, thank you so much for watching. And talaga namang napakaganda ng ating mga girls pasabog. So, going back to your question, Sean, lagi si Sean asking like very difficult question. Okay, so talking about how we're going to sustain it. Of course, we are very true sa mga gusto namin mangyari. So, in terms of like, kasi madalas, I think, there was this one time, I and CJ, papunta kami ng North Cotabato. And nagtanong ako sa kanila, what's next? And according to CJ, ang tanong ng what's next is one of the hardest question sa isang beauty queen, di ba? That's why, sabi ko, what can we do in order for us to do something more and sustain it? Hanggang sa, hindi nawala sa isip ko yun. So, I have a good friend, Derek Rod Singh, na napag-uusapan na namin to even before na what can we do after. So dito, some of the girls pwedeng maging negosyante, some of the girls ay pwedeng maging artista. Binubuhay namin ulit ng Bragay's TV, so we're gonna be producing series. So some of the girls na mananalo dito, and even some na hindi man papala rin, ay magkakaroon ng project with us. Harlitan is here, so I'm talking with Harlitan as well on how we can, do some project outside of the pageantry world, maybe commercial or whatsoever. So maraming plan. Ayoko kasing mag-reveal kasi minsan ang hirap, di ba, mamangako. But yun.
So it's for them to find out na lang din. But the promise goes that we are going to be sustaining and of course helping the queens beyond the pageantry and their journey outside of Reina Filipinas.
Tama naman.
That's true. That's one of the hardest questions na napag-usapan namin ni Sir Jono. But I am very much thankful na even after my pageant journey at Miss Grand International, you're still here supporting me. So maraming salamat. And I just want to take this opportunity to say congratulations. Finally, we're kicking it off. We're starting with Reina Filipinas and we are starting Dreams of New Dreamers sa stage, very own stage of Reina Filipinas. So congratulations. But also, I wanna ask, kasi kakauwi mo lang from Thailand. Hello, sawari ka, Papa?
Ay, Papa naman.
I just wanna know, Sir Jo, how you actually felt that moment. Isang part to ng i-reveal natin for this evening. Ano yung feeling ng moment na nakita mo yung nagagandahang pasabog mamaya?
And the crown. So actually, sorry guys, wala akong tulog. Kararating ko lang kaninang 5 AM. So lumipad lang talaga ako ng Thailand just to get the crown. Because supposed to be, Papa Nawat is gonna be with us. Kasi, di ba na-postpone to? Supposed to be, it's gonna be July 8, di ba? And then, sabi niya sa akin, hindi na ako makakalipad because he's flying to Dominican Republic, I think, for Miss Universe. And then sabi niya, lipad ka na dito just to get the crown. And then when I saw the crown is so beautiful. Ang unang pumasok sa isip ko, paano ko ito iuuwi ng Pilipinas? So I called Attorney Grego, kasi mahal yung crown eh. So it's made of gold, mabigat siya actually. Sabi ni Papa naman, that's so expensive, pwede nga ito isang eh. So sabi niya sa akin, every time daw na magta-travel yung crown, dapat daw meron siyang bodyguard. Because pwede siyang mawala. Because the stones, and then yari siya sa gold. So, pero yung mananalo, hindi yan sa'yo. Ay, gagamitin mo lang siya. Just to clarify it, hindi ito talaga sa'yo. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng ibenta. So, ipapasa natin siya ng ipapasa. So,
it's a legacy na ipapasa natin sa Queens.
Yes. And may mga diamonds siya. So, sobrang excited ako na makita nila in person. I think Papa Nawat was able to reveal some of it sa kanyang social media accounts. And, pero iba yung ganda niya in person. Diba?
So, kaya gusto namin malaman. Kasi I know, we also, I believe all the people who are here tonight, we also on social media, Papa Nawat posted it. I was very curious how it actually looks like in person. And that very first moment na nakita mo yung crown, parang, oh, finally.
Kinilig ako. Ang tagal kong hindi na kinikilig. Pero kinilig ako ulit.
Ay, ganun.